Hey everyone, it's Claudia Bazar, your Executive Director with Pampered Chef. Today we are going to teach you how to use PostMyParty and how to run virtual parties from beginning to the end, and everything will be attached in this Evernote to make it the easiest way possible for you and especially for our new consultants. This is just one way of doing virtual parties. We found lots of success doing it this way. We've had people promote, we've had people selling, we've had people recruiting. So this is actually a system created by Becky Adams, an executive director who promoted to executive in 2 years. So we're just putting all of this in one Evernote file for you so you can start your parties right away. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to postmyparty.com and sign up for PostMyParty. Okay, so you just sign up for PostMyParty. They have a free 14-day trial that you can use. And you know what? It will ask you for your credit card, but you can just set a reminder on your calendar that you want to delete your subscription if you want to before that is up. After that, it is $10 a month. And guys, one party will more than pay for it. So a $200 party, you make about 40 bucks, right? So this will be so worth your time, okay? So once you sign up for PostMyParty, you want to ask your director, your upline, to send you their template. So we already have party templates for you, so you can just use ours and you don't have to reinvent the wheel. So what you're going to do is your director is going to send you their outline. So let me just go over. See if I can click on this. Okay, here we go. So, so for example, here is Lori Betwell, who sent me an outline for PostMyParty. So this is what it will look like when you receive the email from your director that says you've received the outline. So we have 3 outlines for PostMyParty for an entire party, for an entire virtual party. We have a pre-party, we have a party, and then we have the after party. So you need all those 3 outlines, okay? So I'm just gonna show you how to copy and paste one. So you're gonna get an email from PostMyParty that says, you know, your director, their name, has sent a template to you called PostMyParty. So it'll have a link right here on the bottom. You're gonna click this link and make sure you're signed into PostMyParty. You're going to click this link, and then it's going to show you right here what your original message looks like and your message, and then the picture attached to it. So what you want to do first, you can always change things later, but the first thing you want to do is just save this outline so you have one. So you literally just go into the original message, you click Control-C, or you can click right-click and click copy, and then you can just copy it in here. Okay, and then you just click next. And we're just going to do this. Somehow this is already copying. It must be something new. Anyways, so you just copy next. Oh, look, it's already copying it. That must be a new feature. Anyway, so you're just going to click next and copy this whole outline to your PostMyParty. That way you just have an outline ready to go. And you are going to, you know, definitely go through it and make sure there's no, you know, personal things on there that are from a different director. So anyway, so you're going to go through here, and I'm just going to show you because I want to show you step by step of what you're going to do. So don't even worry about what's in there for now. Just literally go through all this. And just keep clicking next and next and next. Okay, so once you're done, okay, you will now have a party template. This right here, this whole entire thing is called a party template. And you can find it under party templates and your list, and it's called Post Party Shared, whatever the name of the template is. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure that, you know, the pictures are the way you want them, that there's no like personal information, or that it has like your website or your, you know, Facebook page or whatever. And the way you're going to do it is just click on edit right here. And now you're going to go through this and decide that this is the way you want it to be, okay? So when you do this, when you write the link this way, I'll show you how you can actually insert your website in here. So you're like, okay, this looks great, perfect. This is exactly how I want it. This one looks great, perfect. This is how I want it. Oh, you know what? This is, maybe, this is a general link, but let's say this would say, pamperedchef.bz/Claudia Bazaar. You might be like, oh, I got to change that. So you just go in here, change it up. Maybe you want to change the picture, you upload a different picture and you click update and it updates your whole template, okay? So you go back to your list and you have it all set up the way to go. So your director is going to send you their pre-party, their party, and their after party. All these three are important for your whole entire party. So once you have that, you will have all of them right here in your list. And then what you're going to do is you are ready to have your own parties. So you have your three outlines here. You will have your three outlines here: pre-party, party, after party, exactly how you want it, exactly with your pictures or whatever, or you can just use it just the way we have it. And then you're going to set up your first party, okay? It's easy, easy peasy. So what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to have to go to your Consultants Corner, My Shows, and you're going to have to create your virtual party, okay? So you just go in here, you create a show, and most of you will know how to do that. If you don't know how to do that, ask your director, or you can always go to Training and Resources, Web Tools Training, and there's some videos to do that. So once you have your show URL, which is your link, you then go on Facebook and you set up the Facebook event, right? And once you have an event set up, a Facebook event, you can then go back and do PostMyParty, and you can click Schedule New Party. So what you're gonna do, and PostMyParty only works with events, so you can't do groups with PostMyParty. So then you would pick, so here's the pre-party. So you would start your pre-party, your event. You would pick from one of your parties. So let's say I'm going to do this one. You will decide when this party starts. So let's say it starts tomorrow, the time zone you're in, whatever. So some of the texts in the template have this written in them: host, which means when I type in host here, so Megan is my host, so when I type in Megan, PostMyParty will autofill this little word host with Megan. So you can personalize it, okay? Link will be replaced with the show link, Pampered Chef, biz/go/whatever the link is for your party. Text, there might be some text in there. If there's text in there, it's actually the end date of your party. So the party closes on November 25th, so that's the closing date. And then you create it, and that's it. And then your party just starts rolling. So then you go back and you pick your date for your actual party when it starts, and you pick your date for your after party when it starts. Now, you can run multiple parties at the same time. You totally can, and I actually highly recommend it. If you're getting your feet wet, just do one, just try it out, and then next time do two, and then maybe next time do three. I have done, I think, a max of 6, but then it gets really crazy with notifications. So when you go to your list of parties that you have running, you will see I need to fix some of these. But basically, you can, once you set up your party, it'll look like this. And it'd say, okay, it's scheduled, or this one already posted. This is when it's going to post. So once you set up one, you don't have to do anything else. So let's say you're setting up 2 at the same time, and you want 2 of them to run at the same time. You will have to go here on the bottom after you set up the second one and just adjust the time. So you could do, let's do the same party, but let's just up it plus 5 minutes. So that will help you to not go into Facebook jail, because now PostMyParty is not posting 10 posts all at the same time. Party number 1 will post at this time, and party number 2 will just be plus 5 minutes. So this is how you set it up in PostMyParty. Now, the other important thing about parties is, we can have it all set up, but there's a little bit involved in the background that we call host coaching. We want to maximize our show. So this is just a part on how you get your template and how you create the template and how you get it into PostMyParty. So after this video, there's going to be a link in this Evernote file, and you are going to watch Advanced Director Lori Bedwell explaining everything you need to know about host coaching your virtual party and coaching your host to $1,000 virtual party. How cool is that? And then after that second video, you will find all the host coaching files. Everything you need is going to be in this one big Evernote, and you are ready to rock and roll and have your virtual party. So we are excited to help you. Virtual business is amazing. You can, have sales, you can recruit, you can get bookings if you're willing to treat it like a regular party and just host coach and figure out the system. So I hope you're going to enjoy this. Make sure you watch the second video with Advanced Director Lori Bedwell, and then make sure you look over all the files attached in this Evernote. Thanks.